comprehensive infrastructure migration service requires deep expertise in cloud and AWS, with a structured, holistic, and agile migration factory approach. Extensive expertise in the cloud, and specifically with AWS. We help businesses get cloud right from the start. We ensure a scalable, highly available, secure, and agile cloud infrastructure environment tailored to your needs, including automated infrastructure management and monitoring. Our AWS infrastructure migration services include both on-premise cloud migration and cloud-to-cloud migration. We help you migrate your infrastructure, applications, data, and tools from an on-premise data center to AWS. We also help you migrate your existing cloud infrastructure to AWS. Also uses the full complement of AWS services and tools to ensure your infrastructure migration and resulting environment are as streamlined and efficient as possible. Several significant advantages for your AWS infrastructure migration. A large pool of AWS certified architects with hands-on experience architecting, building, migrating, and optimizing architectures that follow the AWS well-architected framework. Proven automation tools developed in-house to ensure a fast and seamless migration. Way of ensuring that cloud is done right includes the migration as code first approach that makes management and maintenance easier and more cost-efficient. A wide range of accelerators and enablers designed specifically for AWS, such as Auto-Scaled Compute Platform for Microservice Application, Auto-Scaled Workers for AWS SQS, Cognitive Federated Identity, and a tool for overcoming max connection issue when using AWS RDS with Lambda. Successfully helped customers in their infrastructure migration to AWS with a structured, holistic, secure, and scalable migration factory approach to provide benefits of AWS Cloud, such as reduced cost, scalability, agility, and security. If you're looking to accelerate your cloud initiatives, put our AWS experience to work for you. Contact us today